Hello everyone. We're all in isolation and I put on my Instagram story, would you like me to make YouTube videos again? And pretty much everybody said yes. So here I am. I did ask what you all wanted to see and I've completely ignored that because I thought this would make a better video. So basically, just jumping straight into it, I'm gonna wax my armpit. So my friend Georgie, she waxes them for me and well, she's done it once. But now that they've been waxed, like, also I've got no makeup on so I look really horrible, but I do have wine, so happy. She would do it for me, but obviously we're in isolation. Also, this bruise is from work. It's been there for weeks now, it's not going away. So she can't do them for me. I've bought these Nair hair remover Nourish Japanese Cherry Blossom 7-in-1 Ultra Body Wax Strips. Now, like, I have hair there, like, you know, but it's nice, like, fine hair. Does that make sense? Like, if you've been waxed, you'll know. I should be able to do it myself, right? Right? I feel like this is gonna help. I'm clean. I showered like maybe a couple of hours ago. I have put deodorant on, so I'm just gonna use a face wipe to clean my armpit of deodorant. I use them on my skin and they're just a bit too harsh for my skin, so I use them now just for like cleaning surfaces, or like if I say get makeup on like my dressing table or something, I just use it for that. Or cleaning my armpits, so it seems. How have you all been anyway? How is everyone? How is isolation? I will do a proper video sort of talking about my life for the past year. I haven't actually uploaded a video for a year. Oh boy, what a year it's been. Honestly, it's been insane. If you're friends with me, you'll know what's gone on. Let's let this dry. You guys sent me quite a few good little video ideas actually. What do I do then? I'll do those at some point. Okay. Now, the trouble is with like armpit hair, the direction of the growth, like it goes everywhere. So it's not like leg hair, which generally grows down, which you can wax up. Armpit hair is like something else. It's not easy. Right, I'm just gonna dry my armpits a minute. Oh. Also extremely aware that this video might seem really erratic, but that's because I haven't done it for a while and... Oh. Well, it said no need for warming up. I'm gonna... Right, it says to slowly do this. Yeah, one strip hasn't got a lot of wax on and the other one does. See what I mean? That's got loads on. So it says to fold that one in half, like that, whilst I do this one. I'm gonna put it on the whole pit. Oh my days. Oh shit, there's no going back now. The trouble is, like, I can't stretch my skin. This is gonna really hurt. This is gonna really fucking hurt. Okay, 3. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That wasn't too bad. Wow. Got quite a lot out. Not all of it, I can reuse it, right? That wasn't too bad. Oh, maybe let's try pulling it down. So Georgie has hot wax, that hot pro wax. That really hurt. Oh, that really hurt. This ain't too bad, you know? Oh. This is great fun. I need a mirror. This ain't bad. It may be that I have to go back in and like pluck. I tell you what though, waxing just makes such a difference. Honestly, so having my armpits waxed the other day was the first time that I've ever been waxed. And yeah, it hurts, right? It's not pleasant, it's not gonna be pleasant. You're pulling hair out of your fucking skin. Makes it so much smoother. Ready? Wow, that hurt. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Oh, nice. I'm doing a really good job, not gonna lie. It leaves it so much smoother. And like, you just don't need to shave. Like for ages, it's amazing. Let's go down. Nice. I'm just gonna pluck those little ones out later. I only took 2 strips. Do you wanna see or not? If you're squeamish, don't look. Or if you may potentially want to have a relationship with me because I am single, don't look, because you won't want to see this. Oh, it's natural. People have hair. Women have body hair, that's fine. Let's go again. This might be harder because I'll be ripping it off with my left hand. Oh, also, last time that I filmed, I would have been a blonde. So my reasoning was because, oh, that's so expensive. I'm a natural brunette. I've just, 3, 2, 1. Fuck, that hurt. Fuck, that hurt, but it got loads of hairs. So I'm a natural brunette. Getting your hair bleached takes, like, if you're a natural brunette, like 4 hours in the salon. Also, it's really bad for your hair and also expensive. So I think I'd spend like £100 a trip. So I just decided to, probably not the best thing, was just to get a box of Garnier Nutrice in, I think it's darkest brown. Go back to my roots. And I know box dye is not great for your hair, and if I wanted to go blonde again, it would take me fucking ages to go back to being blonde. Right now, I just want to save some money. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, wow. That's fantastic. Just wipe like the stickiness off. And then I'm just gonna get some talc. So I'm thinking about calling this, this is just baby powder, calling this like the isolation series. So things that I get up to in isolation, like waxing my own armpits. I'm trying to learn guitar as well, so maybe I'll do a little video on me trying to learn a song. Wow, they're all smooth again. That was a great success. Highly recommend those strips. Wow, I did it. That's lovely. Perfect. If you enjoyed this, I hope you did. So exciting to have time to come back and do this. I'm probably not making any sense. I feel all a bit like, ooh, I have no idea. But the next video will be more structured, I promise. I just thought, I'm doing it, why not film it? You know, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have a YouTube account. If you don't, maybe make one and subscribe too. That's what YouTubers say, innit? Thank you all for watching. See you soon. Boop, boop. They're so smooth.